Hello and welcome back to another rainy day in Thailand. I got a really quick one for you today. As you know, I'm always on the hunt for fun little 3D things to print. Well, I found this. It's from a company called morethan3d.com. They have a few products available either for download or fully assembled and shipped to your personal abode. What excited me is this. This is the SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule that took Bob and Doug to and from the International Space Station. You can download a free version of the CAD files for this, suitable for printing, with just a little bit fewer features, like no astronauts. You don't get this part. You don't get the internals of the capsule itself. Or you can buy the files and get all of the detail, or you can buy it fully assembled and shipped to your place. The prices are reasonable, but I thought I would start out by downloading the free version just to dip my toe in the water, see the quality of the design and the build instructions, and I ended up with this. It is far bigger than I thought. I mean, this is my hand. This is about a foot tall. It is beautiful. The detail is fantastic. You've got little gray inserts for the reaction control systems. You've got 4 Super Dracos, and inside the Super Draco, there's a little black insert that goes in there. And as you can see, the crew capsule separates from the trunk, but it's held together by magnets. So you put this on, and it just latches itself in place. And yet there's more. The docking adapter part opens up with this really sweet hinging assembly, and you get to see where it docks. Now again, this model does not contain the full docking adapter with the 3 or is it 3 or 6 pedals that form the mating adapter. So this is what you get for free. The additional detail would be well worth it. I've got about easily 40 hours of printing on my printer of this, even in the medium resolution. But you can see all the detail of the hatch outlines and all the little bump outs and the vertical lines and everything. It's just a beautiful piece of design. And I guess that's about it. I will take you to their website now and walk you through where you can pick this up for your very own. Okay, so go to morethan3d.com and you'll see this beautiful animation of the gallery of their images of all of the parts that you get in the models. You can see their other projects. They have the Model S version of the Dragon with all the detail, the Model 3 with less detail and free. They have jet engines. They have a little badge saying, please don't shake my hand, and an ear saver thing to protect your ears when you're wearing a COVID mask. So let's jump over to Model S, and you can see how the amount of detail, and it comes in this plexiglass box, which is just beautiful. Here are the links to download. There's the Model 3 free 3D files. The Model S 3D files will cost you £40, and the fully printed model shipped to your humble abode is £260, which is a pretty good deal, considering the amount of time and material it takes and the case and everything. So if you're looking to add to your collection of 3D printed fun stuff, and you like space and you like SpaceX, you should definitely add this to your collection. Big thumbs up. As you stare out on my beach, I would ask you to subscribe to my channel and click like on this video so YouTube thinks I'm worthy again, and I have so many people on my channel that they'll give me 10 cents a day in ad revenue. So I thank you for that.